This video is to help you with number 2 on CR Helper number 25. It says Marcia heard that 15% of her algebra class failed. If there were 20 students in the class, how many did not pass or how many failed? Well, when I look at percents, I always happen to look at part over whole equals your percent over what would be the whole percent. 100 is the whole percent. So it's still just part over whole. So we know 15% of our algebra class failed. Oh goodness. So 15 out of every 100 students would have failed. There were 20 students in her class. So you say, is that the part that failed, or is that the entire or the whole amount of students in her class? Oh, that's the whole amount of students in her class. So if 15 out of every 100 students would have failed, how many out of 20 would have failed? So we would look here and we would say, oh goodness, how do I get from 20 to 100? Well, 2 times 5 is 10, so 20 times 5 would be 100. Just want to show that to you. 5 times 0 is 0, and then 5 times 2 is 10. So I know 20 times 5 gets me to 100. So now I'm looking for some number that if I multiply it by 5, I'll get to 15. So you say, oh gosh, what times 5 is 15? 3 times 5 is 15. So 3 students failed. Okay. Some of you might choose to do a double number line for this. Some of you might choose to do a tape diagram for this. Those are both also totally wonderful options. I don't want to, on the CR Helper, give too many options because I don't want to overwhelm you. But if you choose a tape diagram or a double number line, that's also a great way to figure out that 3 students failed. And just give your teachers feedback. If you'd like to see additional options on these videos, make sure you let your teachers know, and we can do that in the future. Thanks, I hope that helped.